How to add payment method in your Microsoft account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So basically you can log into your Microsoft account via outlook.com. So I'm using outlook.com, and then you can log into your Outlook account. After that you can navigate to the profile picture here in the top right corner. And then as you can see there is my Microsoft account. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your Microsoft account settings, and now you can go to your left side of your screen, click this to open, and you can go to your payment option here, and then you can manage your payment and you can add payment method. You can click on it, and then you can input your card details. After that, it will be added to your Microsoft account. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.